The best camera isn't the one with the most specs. It's the one you don't have to think about. In 2026, the battle for the 360 degrees crown has reached a fever pitch. We have the established powerhouse, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, going head-to-head with the most anticipated launch of the year, the Insta360 X6. Whether you're a traveler or a professional creator, the choice you make today will define your workflow for the next 2 years. Let's break it down. Design is about survival. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a masterclass in clean, intuitive engineering. It's compact, waterproof, and its sensor design is built for speed. It's the get-up-and-go king. But it has one Achilles heel: fixed lenses. If you scratch that glass, you're in trouble. Enter the Insta360 X6, rumored to feature a magnesium alloy chassis and, crucially, a replaceable lens system. It's built for the travel hard, shoot harder crowd. It might be slightly bulkier, but for many, that's a sacrifice worth making for peace of mind in the field. Performance is where these two diverge. The DJI is a proven performer, handling vertical shooting and cinematic color profiles flawlessly. It's a camera that gets better with every firmware update. But the X6? The rumors are disruptive. We're talking 8K at 60 frames per second. That is the holy grail of 360 degrees video. Paired with a deeper 10-bit color pipeline, the X6 is positioning itself as the uncompromising choice. Just be warned, 8K per 60 frames per second files are massive. Make sure your editing rig is ready to handle that data before you hit record. A camera is only as good as the software that powers it. If you're already in the DJI ecosystem, using their drones or gimbals, the Action series is a no-brainer. Their AI-assisted reframing is intuitive and fast. However, Insta360 still holds the software maturity advantage. Their desktop studio suite remains the gold standard, with a massive community providing presets and advanced manual controls. If you want to dive deep into your edits, Insta360 is still the one to beat. So what's the move? Buy the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro if you need a camera today, want seamless integration with your existing DJI gear, and value consistent, professional out-of-the-box results. Wait for the Insta360 X6 if you are willing to wait for the absolute cutting edge. If replaceable lenses, 60 frames per second fluidity, and the deepest software ecosystem in the business are your top priorities. We're living in the golden age of 360 degrees capture. The only mistake you can make is waiting for perfect and missing the beautiful moments happening right now. Which side are you on? Are you sticking with the reliability of DJI or holding out for the X6? Let me know in the comments. I'll be dropping a full hands-on comparison the second the X6 hits the shelves, so make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and go shoot something awesome.